Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 308SW in the Allure specification. So this vehicle comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, has front and rear parking sensors. Inside the car, the touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with speed limiter, and the car is just £30 a year to tax. So let's have a look around.
We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, but that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.